From wild science comes hands-on human body. Have you ever wanted to look inside the human body? Get hands-on with a model and discovery guide packed with incredible medical science. The hands-on human body is an anatomical model that includes all the major organs and body parts, so you can discover the structure, function, and location of different parts of the body. Take off the cover, lift out the rib cage, and use the tweezers and forceps to carefully remove the soft and squeezy organs. Squish them, stretch them, and squeeze them. Follow the steps to take apart the model. As you follow the steps in the Discovery Guide, you will see incredible full-color images and discover amazing facts about anatomy and body systems. Take out the small and large intestines, the stomach, and liver, all important parts of the digestive system. You can even stretch out the small intestine, lift out the kidneys and bladder, the heart and blood vessels, and the diaphragm, trachea, and lungs of the respiratory system. Take apart the skull with a soft and squeezy brain inside, and remove the bones and muscles that make you move. Use the step-by-step instructions on the poster to put all the organs back where they belong. And place the hands-on human body on the base to put it on display. Hands-on human body. And remember, there's only one wild science.